Hello, here I am again on another calculator video to kind of show you some interesting things to help you out with this problem. So I have my two equations plugged in for y1 and y2. Certainly part A, we can solve this algebraically by plugging in 10 for x and evaluating both expression. We've already done that together. But to answer part B, I thought the best way to do this is to look at the table. So I plugged these two formulas in and I went into the table. I just wanted to point out that, of course, at year 0, these are both the same because you're starting with the same principle. And even at year 1, this is both going to be the same. And there's no surprise because y1 is simple interest calculated for the year, and y2 is a interest that's going to be compounded, but there has been nothing to compound it on yet because this is only done annually. So then you look at the second step, and it's simple interest. So it looks like Saurav is earning $250 per year because that would be 5% of 5,000, and we're just going to keep adding on 250. It's a linear relationship. You can see how that's going up. But Tong is going up by a different amount, and it's increasing every year because it's adding 5% of the interest that's been added the year before. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and get to year 10 just to confirm our results when we plugged in 10. So here we go, we got 7,500 and 8144. And now I'm trying to answer part B, which is when will their investment be $1,000 different? And talk about if that's surprising, because $1,000 kind of sounds like a lot of money relative to the 5,000 we started with. And should that take a long time when you are compounding, when you're using compound interest, or will that take not a long time? I don't know. Let's find out. So 11 years, I'm at 7750 for Saurav and 8550. So now we're at a difference of 800. And now the next one, year 12, I'm pretty close, right? Because I have 8,000 and then I'm only $20 shy of 1,000. So after only 12 years, the difference in interest earned is $1,000. I don't know about you, but to me, that sounds like a really good deal because, again, you're only investing $5,000. Think about if you're investing for your retirement, which compounds interest, and you're saving over a very long period of time. 12 years is certainly going to go by pretty quickly when you're working for most of your life. So let's just move forward to 13 years. Clearly, we've surpassed the $1,000 mark. So there's no compounding in between 12 and 3. This is not really a continuous function because we're only looking at snapshots at the end of the year. So I can't say like at 12.1 years, but certainly you can round, to 12 years because we're only $20 off. But I hope that this illustration kind of helped you understand a little bit deeper the difference between simple interest and compound interest.